Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into an N8N automation that transforms YouTube videos into summaries, transcripts, and even visual scene descriptions. Want the full breakdown? I've linked a Google Doc below with everything, step-by-step guides, troubleshooting tips, and even bonus prompts to level up your automation game. Don't waste time taking notes. The Google Doc has all the code, templates, and resources mentioned today. Okay, now let's break down how it works, node by node. First, manual trigger node. This is where the workflow starts. When you click Test Workflow, it triggers the automation. No parameters here, it's just the launchpad. 2. Set, define initial variables, node. This node sets up critical variables automation ID, a tracking identifier, optional. API key, your Google API key for accessing Gemini AI. YouTube URL, the video link to process. Prompt type, determines the output type. Transcript, summary, scene description, etc. 3. Switch, what kind of question? Node. This routes the workflow based on the prompt type variable. For example, if transcript, it generates raw dialogue. If summary, it creates nested bullet points. If scene, it asks Gemini to describe visual details like settings, lighting, and camera angles. 5 outputs are predefined, with a fallback for unrecognized prompts. 4th, prompt-specific set nodes. Each branch sets a prompt and selects the Gemini 1.5 Flash model. Examples: the transcript prompt, transcribe the video verbatim. Summary prompt, concise nested bullets with key insights. Scene prompt, detailed instructions for analyzing visuals, objects, people, colors, etc. These prompts dictate what Gemini focuses on. 5. Set merged values node. Combines data from earlier nodes, like the YouTube URL and API key, with the selected prompt. This ensures all necessary data flows into the HTTP request. 6th, HTTP request to Google node. Sends a POST request to Google's Gemini API endpoint. It includes the prompt as text, the YouTube URL as a file URI, the API key for authentication. The response includes Gemini's analysis, text, tokens used, errors. 7. Code, merge data. Node combines Gemini's output with earlier data, like the YouTube URL and automation ID, to preserve context for downstream steps. 8. Set fields, define outcome node. Extracts and renames key results, answer AI generated. The main output, transcript, summary, etc. Token counts and model version for cost/usage tracking. It trims unnecessary data, leaving a clean output. Sticky notes provide guidance on how to use the workflow. The result is a structured JSON object with your desired output. Transcript, summary, etc., token metrics, and error handling. You can send this to Notion, Airtable, or any app via N8N's integrations. This automation is a Swiss Army knife for video analysis, perfect for creators, marketers, or anyone needing fast insights without watching hours of footage. Tweak the prompts, swap the model, and let N8N handle the rest. If this automation saved you hours, smash that like button and hit subscribe. I drop free, game-changing tools every week.